NASA has announced that the troubled Boeing Starliner will return to Earth without its stranded astronauts, following technical difficulties that have plagued the spacecraft. The decision comes after the Starliner faced multiple issues during its mission, including problems with its systems and delays in achieving its planned objectives. Despite the setbacks, NASA is prioritizing a safe return of the spacecraft. The current mission's failure to carry astronauts underscores the challenges Boeing and NASA face in ensuring the reliability of commercial spacecraft. The focus will now shift to investigating the issues, implementing necessary fixes, and preparing for future missions. NASA remains committed to advancing space travel safety and reliability, with continued efforts to address and resolve the technical problems encountered during this mission.